Hello crafters, happy Saturday. So I just want to let you know that today is our final installment of the My Shabby Valentine YouTube Hop. And I want to thank our hostesses, Debbie Adams with Creative Life, and also Robyn Pitts, Sir Chauncey Rocco Designs. And I want to thank the rest of our amazing crafters who joined in our YouTube hop. And everything I've seen has been absolutely stunning and super shabbylicious, and I'm just loving it. And I can't wait to see what they create today. So I will definitely be checking out their channels and commenting. So anyway, guys, all the rules for this YouTube hop are down below. I am giving away an Amazon prize, so definitely don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we can choose from any video in the YouTube hop. Okay, so it may not be mine. I may pick it from Sandy or somebody else. But anyway, let's get on into what I made. So I was thinking, you know, even though my kids are older, I still make little Valentine's gifts for them and fill it with candy. And I found these SVG designs on dreamingtree.com and they were free. So let's get to it. So the first one I'm absolutely in love with. This is a cute little treat box with a little acetate window with a scalloped heart, and then it has the word kiss cut out in the heart, and as well as a double layered lips. Now they do give you instructions on what the pieces are and stuff like that. So anyway, I added in some M&Ms and some arrowheads and all sorts of cute little candy stuff. And let me show the inside. It doesn't fit a pencil, but you could actually enlarge it, and I'm sure it could hold a pencil then. But I'm not sure if it would affect the size of these. So I can't guarantee that, but you can definitely try. So anyway, let me show you the next thing I made. I made this cute little basket, and I don't think it was actually a Valentine's basket, but it definitely screams Valentine or Easter. And so let me see if I can get it on its side without everything falling out. But so one has the little floral design and the other one is a solid design. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that one being floral. It has like 2 little hearts right here, or 4 hearts, and then a little flower in the center. Okay, I know it's really hard to show you this, but I also love the handle. That's really precious. So you could have these all around your house with little Hershey Kisses, or, you know, jelly beans for Easter, definitely. So I think it's going to be super cute. Anyway, oh, and the chocolate gold coins for St. Patty's Day. Hey, why not? And the next thing I made was this really super cute heart French fry box, and it is too precious. So it comes with these little 2 layered hearts, and then of course the cut out for the heart box. And you know what, let me show you a different one. Hold on. Let me show you one that I haven't finished yet. I just want to let you know that basically this little scalloped heart is from Cricut, okay? And I believe it's free. I don't know. I pay for this subscription, so it's hard to tell what's free and what's not. And then also I got this really cute love sentiment from them as well. And I think it all turned out super cute. Anyway, guys, don't forget to visit Debbie's channel, who is up next. And again, all the rules are in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on all the videos to be sure that you get a chance to win a prize. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous weekend. Bye, y'all.